Hey, it's Steven with Parts Doctor. I'm going to show you how to replace the cap and tapered bolt kit on this Fisher Paykel washing machine. Let's get started. The reason you would replace this is if the cap is lost, you will need to replace the cap and the bolt to ensure a proper fit. Also, if the bolt becomes sheared, it may cause issues with the agitator not working properly. If you need a new cap and bolt kit, you can find one at our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your washer to make sure you get the correct part. The new part also comes with instructions on how to install it. To start, you're going to need 2 flat plate screwdrivers and open up the lid. The first thing you'll need to do is locate the notches on the cap and insert your screwdrivers. Then pry to release the cap. Now, clean out any of the debris to gain access to the bolt. Next, using an adjustable wrench, insert it on and loosen the bolt. Before installing the new bolt, clean off the agitator. For installing the new bolt, insert it and tighten by hand as much as you can. Then, using your wrench, tighten it an additional half turn. Make sure not to over tighten, as it can cause damage to the agitator or the bolt to shear off. If tightened incorrectly, the agitator may lift off during the cycle. To install the cap, simply align it and snap in place. With everything put back together, test the washer out to make sure everything's working properly. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.